Thank you, everyone. Today, we are protesting outside the offices of United Nations, which reminds us human rights, which reminds us equality, which reminds us that every nation, every people, every human being, regardless of where they come from, what color of their body look like, their skin look like, they are human and they deserve human rights, justice, freedom and equality. But unfortunately, the Baloch people, the people of Sindhu Desh, Pashtun and others living under the occupation of the Pakistani state have been denied of these rights, have been denied of freedom, have been denied of basic human rights. We stay here to tell the world that what Pakistan is doing, not only in Balochistan, but in other parts, which obviously includes Sindhu Desh and KPK. Balochistan's struggle, Balochistan's suffering, Balochistan's pain have been hidden, or Pakistan forcefully tried to hide that from the world because it did not want it to show its true color to the world, that what it is committing in Balochistan. But now, the Baloch nation, the brave people of Balochistan, be it in Balochistan or living in diaspora, have done a great job to tell the world that what is happening in Balochistan, and the Pakistani state cannot hide those crimes anymore. Because one thing we can tell for sure, we know that the world is ignoring it. They are not saying it publicly. But one thing we know for sure, that they know what is happening in Balochistan. They know what is happening in Sindhu Desh. They know what is happening in KPK. They know what kind of crimes the Pakistani military is committing in Balochistan. And they also know that these people deserve freedom. Freedom obviously demands a struggle. It demands sacrifices. The people of Balochistan has sacrificed everything, from their lives to their families, to their homes, to their property, and of course, an occupation which only brings suffering to them. But we are hopeful that that day is not far when we will be free. Ma kam hoga Baluchiya janam ti qawma wati raja bas ame dasbandiye کہ کسانے جو دے نزورے جو دے کہ ماں کن گئی نہیں میں دستہ بہ گئیں میں سنگتانی دستہ بہ گئیں ایجود مقصد ایجود مول ایجود مراد تانا یک کے کہ مرچی بلوچستانہ برجائیں ظلم زورا کی چپیما الاس بھی بندیگ جہاں بندیگے میں ماں تو گوار میں کماش میں برات میں کسانے چوک کہ پاکستانی ٹارچر سے لنتا بندوں کا اچھوں آزاد کنک ببا یا آئینی بابتا چھو مارا آل سر بھی یا اما مردم کہ بلوچے آجوئی آترا دشمنہ کو دیم پا دیم جنگایاں آئینی جو دا مچھو دنیا یا پیش بدارے کہ ناشرکار نیا آجوئی لوٹو کے سرمچارا کہ دگے ملکی اسرا قبضہ نکن گیا دگے مردمان نپول گیا دگے مردمانی اکا نظیر گیا تانا پا وطی آزادیا تانا پا وطی باندات وشالی آترا جنگ کن گیا جد و جہد کن گیا شمع درستانی منتوار بلوچستان آزاد باد